Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're looking at two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 3200 LatteGo and the Jura S8. Let's dive in.
Yep. First impressions, the Philips is smaller, 17 by 10 by 15 inches, and lighter, basically negligible weight reported on Amazon. The Jura is a chunkier 17.5x 11x 13.7 inches and weighs a solid 22 pounds. So space might be a factor for some people.
Definitely. And the Philips is listed as currently unavailable, which isn't ideal. The Jura seems to be in stock, but only a few left. Availability is key, before we even talk about features.
Good point. Assuming you can get them, the Philips boasts 5 coffee options at your fingertips, including cappuccino and latte macchiato. It's got that LatteGo system for frothing milk, which they say is super easy to clean, only 2 parts.
I saw that. 15 seconds under the tap, they claim. The Jura, on the other hand, offers 15 different specialties, so immediately more variety there. And it's got a color touchscreen, which sounds fancy.
It does sound nice. The Jura uses an Aroma G3 grinder, which they claim is twice as fast as previous models, and the pulse extraction process, P.E.P, for optimal espresso extraction. Sounds very techy.
The Philips has a ceramic grinder too, with 12 adjustable grind settings. They also highlight their aroma extract system for temperature and aroma control. And they say the grinder is good for 20,000 cups.
Wow, that's a lot of coffee. The Jura's description focuses more on the user experience. The touchscreen, programmable coffee strength, and automatic filter detection sounds more premium. Also, the Jura uses a fine foam frother, which might give it an edge in milk-based drinks.
Right, but the Philips mentions up to 5,000 cups without descaling if you use their AquaClean filter. Descaling is a pain, so that's a big plus for the Philips. And
true, but the Jura, being more expensive, probably has some similar features, but they aren't explicitly mentioned. Both are renewed, so you're taking a bit of a risk either way.
The customer reviews are also something to note. The Philips has a 4.1 rating with 19 ratings, while the Jura has a 3.4 rating with only 8 ratings. So that could be something to consider. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.